What's going on, everyone? You are now tuned in to Danny from All That Grass Lawn Care. As you can see, we are back again with another one at the F&W Equipment Store right in Orange, Connecticut, and we had such a fantastic time. Big shout out to F&W in Orange, Connecticut for giving us a tour, showing us around the facility. I mean, you can actually service your equipment, buy equipment, or rent equipment here for all your job needs. Definitely go check out F&W right in Orange, Connecticut. Thank you very much for the tour again, and thank you for allowing us to demo. We had such a great time, and thanks for the merch. Could never go wrong with getting a free hat. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is Danny from All That Grass, and we are out. Grass Lawn Care, and as you can see, I am at the F&W right here in Orange, Connecticut. If you guys are ever in the market, you can buy from here, or you can do some rentals. Was able to test out some equipment. Definitely stay tuned for more videos. This is Danny, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day.